Stardust drifting in cosmic flow. Each layer of earth has a tale to show. The past is written in rock and flame. We rise, we fall, but earth remains. We're stardust drifting in cosmic flow. Each layer of earth has a tale to show. The past is written in rock and flame. We rise, we fall, but earth remains.
Earth's been battered by rocks, collisions so vast, frozen, overruled by life forms from the past. Our blue home survival is a story to tell. Let's take a journey back, where it all began to dwell. 4.5 billion years, the story unfolds. From gas and dust, a solar system bold, a swirling disk heated until fusions glow. Our sun was born, and Earth began to grow. As matter amiced, spheres began to rise. In cooler zones formed of ice and skies. Near the sun, rocks began to collide. Earth and Mars form where volcanoes reside. Gases like methane and sulfur filled the air, creating Earth's first atmosphere, a toxic snare. Asteroid struck, but the biggest of them all. Theia crashed, birthing the moon from the fall. On a hot Earth, oceans were but steam and gas, but cooling brought water, liquid at last. A water world formed where life took its birth. Microscopic beings began to shape the Earth. Earth water world didn't last too long. Cratons rose, continents grew strong. Valbora emerged, the first of its kind. Smaller than Australia, but a landmark in time. Cyanobacteria sparked the change, breathing out oxygen, shifting the range. Carbon dropped, the air turned cold, and Earth was locked in an icy hole. Rodinia reigned, the largest of lands. Continents shifting by nature's hands. Life advanced, then change took aim. Panesthesia emerged from the tectonic flame. In the Cambrian seas, complexity thrived. Exoskeletons formed and species arrived. Trilobites scanned with multi-lens eyes. Invertebrate kingdoms began to rise. Oceans cooled, extinction struck fast. Ordovician life couldn't last. Yet from decay, new roots would expand. Trees took hold and life touched land.
We're stardust drifting in cosmic flow. Each layer of earth has a tale to show. The past is written in rock and flame. We rise, we fall, but earth remains.
In the Permian twilight, balance was lost. Volcanic ash came at a deadly cost. Gases trapped the planet's breath, and life succumbed to a global death. Extinction cleared the stage for what came next. Dinosaurs rose, the timeline flexed. Argentinosaurus towered in might, while T-Rex hunted through day and night. 66 million, the sky went black. An asteroid struck with a fatal smack. Climate collapsed, the giants fell, and mammals emerged to break the spell. 6 million years still crawling slow. Sahelanthropus moved where beasts would go. Then upright stance began to rise, and stones became our sharpest prize. 800K, the spark was lit. Fire brought warmth and the brain was fit. Cooking meals, new ways to relate. Humans evolved to communicate. The others faded, sapiens remained. The torch of time in us ingrained. From hunter paths to crops and yields, they traded wild for rooted fields. The world rewired in smokestack speed. Machines replaced the hands we need. From horse to rail, from field to steel, the modern age began to feel. The numbers soared, no signs to stall. One turned two, then a global sprawl. From crowded streets to skies we span. 8 billion strong, the age of man. We burned too fast, ignored the signs. Now oceans flood and fire climbs. The clock is ticking, the damage near. Extinction calls, can we still hear?
Stardust drifting in cosmic flow. Each layer of earth has a tale to show. The past is written in rock and flame. We rise, we fall, but earth remains. We're stars.